Yeah. So I think we associated with IPV very early on in our journey. This was, I think, our second round of funding, and to be honest, what we're building is very unique category creator company, something that has not been done before. So it was very hard to explain it to investors what we are doing, and it's very not many of them were keen that early in the business, and there were more naysayers than people who were believers, etc. And my first meeting with Mitesh, I think we connected really well. He got the business, he got what we're trying to do, and the opportunity that we're trying to address here. And I think from there on, it was very obvious that it will make a lot of sense to partner on this journey and work together. So I would say the fact that IPV got our business so early on was reason enough for me to associate with IPV. We started in November 2019, and I think we raised from IPV somewhere around 2020, mid 2020. It has been quite a phenomenal journey, to be honest. We from struggling from the witty feet to stage transition, and then getting onto the idea of building an OTT for Bharat. I think it has been quite a phenomenal journey. IPV has been an integral part of the journey, to be honest. They've been very supportive. Mitesh and the rest of the team, we have got quite a lot of support during the journey. And when we went to the Shark Tank this year, IPV was one of the quickest to say that, okay, this is great, this is amazing, and you should definitely go there. And if you need any help, let us know. If there's anything we can help, in accelerating this and making this bigger for you guys, amplifying the word out there, and so on and so forth. So this has been quite a phenomenal journey, and happy to have the support of IPV all along the way. The number one thing that a founder looks for in an investor, and especially at early stage, and there's a reason why they're called angels, right? So uh, they want their investors to be available, okay, when they need them. I think with IPV, Mitesh is just a WhatsApp away, and anybody else in the team actually just a WhatsApp away, and you would get very quick responses when you discuss with them. It's pretty much like a founder discussion that you're having with them. So for me, that was one of the biggest USPs that I've seen with IPV. Then from the way they evaluate a startup, the way they evaluate the founders that they choose to back, and then and then also the quality of investors that IPV brings on the table. Most of the investors that come through IPV are CXOs in large companies, which again becomes very useful when you're building, especially a B2C company. The mentorship, the kind of advice that you get from them, usually very active. They talk to you. We have a special WhatsApp group for IPV investors, starting from the availability to evaluation of a startup to then overall guidance and mentorship that we keep getting from IPV. It has all been very unique and very refreshing to see in an investor at an early stage. So IPV has been very involved in our business since day one. I mean, when I say involved, I mean from a arm's length point of view, where they offer help if you need them, or if you reach out to them for help, etc. So two, three things. Number one, we have gotten quite a lot of investor connections for our next round from IPV, directly from Mitesh, as well as the event that IPV organizes, which is sort of a demo day where they bring all the investors together, and we have pitches in like 8, 10, 15 pitches in a day, back-to-back pitches, all the connections, and then basically a lot of exposure to investors for the next round. Second is I have gotten a lot of help in terms of opening up new business opportunities from different investors. So that has been quite helpful. And the advisory, the mentorship, support, and hiring help, etc., has been our sort of baseline run of the mill things that we keep getting from IPB on a regular basis.